ఎనీవే సో ఇప్పుడు మూవీ డైరెక్టర్ షమీర్ గారు మాట్లాడతారు.
Good evening, Andariki Namaskaram. First of all, sorry that I'm not speaking in Telugu. I'm still learning. Next time I will do this in Telugu. This whole thing feels like a dream for me. Tomorrow when I wake up, I have to go check YouTube to be sure this is for real. Um, if it is not real, then I will go back to sleep. So I have few things to say and thank. To start with, I'm an engineer and IT employee by default. So that happened like a default choice. And then I had to quit after 8 years and I want to do this film. So I quit and then I never had a backup plan so that I don't go back. So they say if you really want to fly, you will find a way to fly. I think we found Vijay bro. We came here and we narrated the story. He loved it and we were waiting. We were waiting for his call and we were waiting for too long that beyond a point we forgot what we were waiting for. And this thing happens in everyone's journey that you wanted to give up. So we were in that moment of giving up. On that day, we got a call from Vijay bro, and then we came here. So I think I want to start thanking Vijay bro first because he was open to new ideas and new people. In my head, Vijay bro is like Virender Sehwag, and he wants to hit every ball for six, like from the first ball. Like you can't predict his intent where he just want to hit every ball for six. And numbers don't matter. So I think beyond a point, there is no logic why, I think having written this story in Tamil, we came here and then we are doing this in Telugu, where I think the whole thing started because of the open-mindedness Vijay bro had. So thanks to him. I think I would repeat this n number of times. It has to be billion thanks to him. And if he wasn't there, I think this would have remained a dream forever. So billion thanks, bro. And thanks to all the suggestions that you gave on this film. I think that has made this film a better film. Meantime, thanks for all the guests and directors who just came in. Really thanks, respect, and thanks for that. Next would be to Vardhan uncle. I think Vardhan uncle, I think he has been the pillar of this production. We all, I think, at some point in time react to situation, but Vardhan uncle has always responded to it. He is like he will leave the ball wherever required. I think I learned that from uncle to leave the ball wherever required. So it is two contrasting style where Vijay bro would want to hit every ball for six, and uncle would choose to leave few balls. So it's a very good mix in terms of, I think, to have both the characters in you. Thanks, uncle. I think thanks and these are small words here, but I think you have made this whole journey, I think, really productive. You have helped us in every stage of this film. I think a few years later, when we look back at today, today will be an important day. It will be part of history where King of the Hill has started making good films. And this film will be the first film of the rest of the good films to come from King of the Hill. My hero, Rakesh, Tarun Bhaskar, I think we were waiting for our hero for a long time. So I think Tarun Bhaskar is a brilliant writer, director, and you will be surprised to see the actor in Tarun in this film. Tarun is full of energy and he's a performer. So I think what he has done to this film is that he has given life to the character Rakesh. I think you will see that in the film. And there is this thing in Tarun where he has always given the space and freedom, I think, for me. Because the writer-director in him will naturally pop up here and there, but it never happened in our sets. So Tarun was fully the hero and he gave me the space and freedom. So thanks, Tarun. And and his work ethics, I think, is insane. He lost weight and he gave up biryani. I think it takes a lot of guts to give up biryani for a film. I wouldn't do that. So I have told this, Tarun, before. I think without you, this film is definitely impossible. So thank you. I will definitely extend this thing later in person. My next hero, Kamesh, alias Kamu, Abhinav Gomatam. I think he's very unique. It's very difficult to actually direct Abhinav. It's very unique. So there's always a thin line between what he comes up with, where you would want something in one particular way, you want Kamu to be played, but Abhinav will do something that will just blow your mind. So Abhinav has done a few moments in the film that I think only Abhinav can do. So thanks, Abhinav. I think Abhinav is the Jim Carrey of our industry. So I think if there is someone who can play all the films Jim Carrey has ever played, as in, I think it has to be Abhinav. My third hero is Naveen George Thomas. He has always been my hero. Ever since we started making short films, web series, Naveen is my only hero. So I think it is very difficult to thank Naveen. It has been a long journey. It is as much as my film as Naveen's. I am sure after this film, Naveen will be identified as Papa. I think that commitment I can definitely give. Thanks to Anusaya ma'am. She has been a pro. I think we only have, she has done everything in one take, single take. So editing has been so much of fun. Whenever we get to her shots, it's always been just one take, one shot. So thanks, ma'am. And I think your character, Sam, will definitely surprise the audience. Vani Bhojan is not here, but still, she has a knack of tearing up for a scene without taking much time. So I don't know how she does that. Whenever there is a scene to tear up, she would do that in 3 to 4 seconds. So I think Vani is stunning. Thanks, Avantika. Thanks, Pavani, Vinay sir, Vinod sir. I think I'm not good at remembering names. I don't have a very good memory. If I'm missing someone, I think I'll definitely call them in person and thank them. And my team, my DOP Madan Gunadeva is not here. My editor Srijit, composer Shiva, and my direction team. Finally, my co-director Arjun Krishna. I think it is a bit challenging to work with me because I always ask for more. So, yeah. And I want to thank my parents, family, friends, and I will do that in person. Now, coming to the film, we have made a very honest film. We have a U/A to this film with no single cut. So I think there is no single shot in the film which you would mind watching with your parents. This film will be fun, engaging, and we have tried pushing few boundaries here and there. So go watch with an open mind. You will have more fun. Definitely watch the film in theaters. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shamir Garu.